basically, Garden Organic had been having this as a trial field, and then basically funding dried up for doing trials. So they approached Gareth, who used to work with them. So then he approached a fledgling transition town, Coventry, and said to them, how would you like to set up a community farm? So basically Transition Town Coventry kind of morphed into 5 Acre Community Farm. So that kind of steering group then became the 5 Acre steering group. So there's about 80 members. Kind of varies between 80 and 90 depending on the split between half shares and full shares. Because we're doing this research with Coventry Cov Uni and this social impact toolkit thing, which is basically looking at sort of the benefits that aren't just monetary, so you're not just employing people or whatever, but you're changing people's cooking habits and all these other benefits of this. And it's been really interesting seeing, because we normally ask the members every year a little survey like, anything you'd like different, what we're doing good, but it's fairly vague, whereas this was a lot more specific, and then you get in like proper numbers, like when you say, overall, does this scheme meet with your expectations? Yes, don't know, a little bit, doesn't. And pretty much everyone said yes. So it's like, oh, that's great, and it's mostly changed people's cooking habits for the better, and they eat, more vegetables and less meat, and they cook from scratch more, and they eat fresh food more, and they share food with friends, and, so it's all really positive. And so that's been quite a nice... So yeah, anything we try and engage with everyone as best we can, but then our main goal is to grow the vegetables. The downside with this bit of land is it's not quite big enough to have long-term green manures. So like there's a rye vetch green manure there, and that's only going to be down for like 6 months, maybe a bit longer. Yeah, you just got to try and figure out what grows, when you actually get round to eating it. At the moment, we've just been going, all right, we've got to get through all the celery and get through all the mooli before the frost kills it all. So every week they've been having celery and mooli. And then you've got to pick the tomatoes every week, and you've got to pick the cucumbers and the peppers every week. And so there are some things that I have to be picked now. And so you've just got to kind of work with that. And I think organic growers, it takes you're not doing it for the money, you're doing it for the love, right?
Yep.
So you're enthusiastic about it.